differentiation. D by dx of c is equal to 0, where c is a constant. C means any constant. You can take any number, that derivative is equal to 0. So derivative of 2 is equal to 0. Derivative of 3 equal to 0. Derivative of 4 equal to 0. Derivative of 5 equal to 0. Derivative of a, where a is any constant, that equal to 0. Derivative of x power n is equal to n into x power n minus 1. So derivative of x power n is equal to n into x to the power of n minus 1. So derivative of x square కావాలి అంటే that equal to here x power n ఫార్ములాతో కంపేర్ చేసుకుంటే n is equal to 2. సో ఫార్ములాలో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే 2 into x power 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. X power 1 అని x అని రాస్తాం మనం. So derivative of x square equal to 2x. Derivative of x cube is equal to, on comparing with x power n, here n is equal to 3. So 3 into x power 3 minus 1. 3 into x power 2. 3x square. Derivative of x power 4 is equal to 4 into x power 4 minus 1. That equal to 4x cube. Derivative of x power 5 is equal to 5 into x power 5 minus 1. That equal to 5 into x power 4. Derivative of x power 6 is equal to 6 into x power 6 minus 1. That equal to 6x power 5. So derivative of x power minus 2 is equal to minus 2 into x power minus 2 minus 1. That equal to minus 2 into x power minus 3. So up to here మనం x కి పాజిటివ్ వాల్యూస్ దగ్గర డెరివేటివ్ చూసాం. ఇప్పుడు x కి నెగిటివ్ పవర్స్ ఉంటే కూడా డెరివేటివ్ సేమ్ ఫార్ములా యూస్ చేస్తాం. We can use the same formula for negative power of x also. So derivative of x power minus 3 is equal to minus 3 into x power minus 3 minus 1. That equal to minus 3 into x power minus 4. Derivative of x power minus 4 is equal to minus 4 into x to the power of minus 4 minus 1. That equal to minus 4 into x power minus 5. So now if there are any fractions, then also same formula will be used. Derivative of x power 2 by 3 is equal to, here n equal to 2 by 3. 2 by 3 into x power 2 by 3 minus 1. That equal to 2 by 3 into x power minus 1 by 3. Derivative of x power 3 by 2 is equal to, here n equal to 3 by 2. So we are using the formula n into x power n minus 1. So 3 by 2 into x power 3 by 2 minus 1. That equal to 3 by 2 into x power 1 by 2. So derivative of x power minus 2 by 3 is equal to minus 2 by 3 into x power minus 2 by 3 minus 1. That equal to minus 2 by 3 into x power minus 5 by 3. Derivative of x power minus 3 by 2 is equal to minus 3 by 2 into x power minus 3 by 2 minus 1. That equal to minus 3 by 2 into x power minus 5 by 2. Here you have to observe minus 3 by 2 minus 1 is equal to minus 5 by 2. Minus 2 by 3 minus 1 is equal to minus 5 by 3. Next, derivative of e power x is equal to e power x. Derivative of e power x kakunda, instead of x, if there is f of x, then we have to do e power f of x into, you have to take the derivative of this f of x also as a multiple. So derivative of e power 2 by 7x is equal to, here let 2 by 7 is 2 by 7x is f of x. Then 2 by 7 into e power 2 by 7 into x. That means e power fx రూపంలో ఉన్నప్పుడు డెరివేటివ్ e power fx into మళ్ళీ 2 by 7 into x డెరివేటివ్ కడితే 2 by 7 వస్తుంది. అది మనం ఫ్రంట్ రాస్తాము. We keep the derivative of 2 by 7x, that is 2 by 7, in front of this function e power 2 by 7x. So derivative of e power 3 by 5x is equal to 3 by 5 into e power 3 by 5x. That means let it be in the form of e power fx. Then we have to write e power fx into derivative of f of x. Derivative of 3 by 5 into x is equal to 3 by 5. Derivative of e power 4 by 11 x is equal to 4 by 11 into e power 4 by 11 x. Derivative of e power 5 by 8 x is equal to 5 by 8 into e power 5 by 8 x. So you can similarly formulate as e power ax derivative is a into e power ax. You can think like that also. Derivative of e power ax is equal to a into e power ax, where a is the coefficient of x in e power ax. Next, derivative of e power minus 2x is equal to e power minus 2x into minus 2. Derivative of e power minus 3x is equal to e power minus 3x into minus 3. Derivative of e power minus 4x is equal to e power minus 4x into minus 4. Derivative of e power minus 5x is equal to e power minus 5x into minus 5. That means let it be a minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 a అనుకుంటే e power ax అనే ఫామ్ లో ఉన్నప్పుడు if the problem is in the form of e power ax, the derivative of e power ax is equal to a into e power ax. Next, if in the power minus sign is there, then also we can use the same formula. Derivative of e power minus 2 by 5x is equal to minus 2 by 5 into e power minus 2 by 5x. Derivative of e power minus 3 by 7x is equal to minus 3 by 7 into e power minus 3 by 7x. Derivative of e power minus 4 by 11x is equal to minus 4 by 11 into e power minus 4 by 11x. Derivative of e power minus 5 by 3x is equal to minus 5 by 3 into e power minus 5 by 3x. So derivative of e power ax is equal to a into e power ax అనే ఫామ్ లో ముందుకెళ్తున్నాం. సో derivative of e power 2x is equal to 2 into e power 2x. Derivative of e power 3x is equal to 3 into e power 3x. Derivative of e power 4x is equal to 4 into e power 4x. Derivative of e power 5x is equal to 5 into e power 5x. Derivative of a power x is equal to a power x into log a. So derivative of f of x whole power n is equal to మనకి x power n కి ఫార్ములా తెలుసు n into x to the power of n minus 1 అని చెప్పి. సో ఇక్కడ x ప్లేస్ లో f of x అనే ఫంక్షన్ ఉంటే కనుక if we have a function f of x in place of x, then we take f of x as x. ముందు f of x ని x అనుకుని we formulate like f of x whole power n is first we take f of x as x, then we place the formula as x power n into x power n minus 1. That is f of x whole power n derivative is n into f of x whole power n minus 1 into we have to write the derivative of f of x. అంటే ఓన్లీ x ఉన్నప్పుడు మాత్రమే x పవర్ n కి డెరివేటివ్ n into x to the power of n minus 1. x ప్లేస్ లో మన ఏ ఫంక్షన్ ఉన్నా కూడా అది హోల్ పవర్ n అనే రూపంలో కనపడినప్పుడు ముందన x అనుకుని x పవర్ n రూపంలో ఉంది అనుకుని n into x పవర్ n minus 1 ఫార్ములా సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసి ఇంటూ డెరివేటివ్ ఆఫ్ దట్ f of x కూడా మనం రాయాలి. సో డెరివేటివ్ ఆఫ్ e power ax is equal to derivative of a power f of x is equal to a power f of x into log a into f dash x. So derivative of log x is equal to 1 by x. So it is here log x base a. Derivative of log x base e ki 1 by x. Log x base a ki 1 by x into log a. But the second formula is important కాదు. Only మన first formula నే ఎక్కువ మనం డీల్ చేస్తాం. So deal only with the first formula. Then derivative of sin x is equal to cos x. Derivative of sin f of x. In place of x, if there is f of x, then we have to take this f of x, whole f of x is x. We treat this as a sin x, and we have to put the answer cos x. X means fx here. Into we have to put the derivative of f of x. So sin f of derivative of sin f of x is equal to cos f of x into f dash x. So derivative of sin 2x is equal to sin 2x derivative cos 2x into derivative of 2x is equal to 2. We place 2 before the cos 2x. Derivative of sin 3x is equal to 3 cos 3x. Derivative of sin 4x is equal to 4 cos 4x. Derivative of sin 5x is equal to 5 cos 5x. Derivative of sin 6x is equal to 6 cos 6x. That means we have to take sin 4x, 4x as x, and we have to take sin 4x derivative as cos 4x, and we have to put the derivative of 4x is 4 before the cos function. So derivative of cos x is equal to minus sin x. Derivative of cos f of x is equal to minus sin f of x into derivative of f of x. So derivative of cos 2x is equal to minus 2 sin 2x. Derivative of cos 3x is equal to minus 3 sin 3x. Derivative of cos 4x is equal to minus 4 sin 4x. Derivative of cos 5x is equal to minus 5 sin 5x. Derivative of cos 6x is equal to minus 6 sin 6x. So we are taking cos 6x as x. So cos 6x means minus sin 6x. And for 6x derivative is 6. Derivative of tan x is equal to secant square x. Derivative of tan f of x is equal to secant square f of x into f dash x. Derivative of tan 2x is equal to 2 secant square 2x. Derivative of tan 3x is equal to 3 secant square 3x. Derivative of tan 4x is equal to 4 secant square 4x. Derivative of tan 5x is equal to 5 secant square 5x. Derivative of cot x is equal to minus cosecant square x. So derivative of cot f of x is equal to minus cosecant square f of x into f dash x. So derivative of cot 2x is equal to minus 2 cosecant square 2x. Derivative of cot 3x is equal to minus 3 cosecant square 3x. Derivative of cot 4x is equal to minus 4 cosecant square 4x. Derivative of cot 5x is equal to minus 5 cosecant square 5x. So derivative of secant x is equal to secant x tan x. Derivative of secant f of x is equal to secant f of x into tan f of x into f dash x. So derivative of secant 2x is equal to 2 secant 2x into tan 2x. Derivative of secant 3x is equal to 3 secant 3x into tan 3x. Derivative of secant 4x is equal to 4 secant 4x tan 4x. Derivative of secant 5x is equal to 5 secant 5x into tan 5x. Derivative of cosecant x is equal to minus cosecant x cot x. Derivative of cosecant 4x is equal to minus cosecant 4x into minus cosecant fx into cot fx into f dash x. So derivative of cosecant fx is equal to minus cosecant fx into cot fx into f dash x. Derivative of cosecant 2x is equal to minus 2 cosecant 2x cot 2x. Derivative of cosecant 3x is equal to minus 3 cosecant 3x into cot 3x. Derivative of cosecant 4x is equal to minus 4 cosecant 4x into cot 4x. Derivative of cosecant 5x is equal to minus 5 cosecant 5x into cot 5x. Okay, now నేను ఇక్కడికి స్టాప్ చేస్తున్నాను. 15 minutes వీడియో టైం అయిపోతుంది కాబట్టి దెన్ నెక్స్ట్ వీడియోలో మనం నెక్స్ట్ వీడియోలో చూద్దాం. ఓకే మా ఇంటరాక్ట్ అవ్వండి. వినబడిందా మీకు నేను చెప్పిందంతా కూడా? ఓకే అమ్మా, ఫస్ట్ 15 minutesకి మనం x పవర్ n e పవర్ ax sin ax cos ax tan ax secant ax cosecant ax cot ax ఈ ఫార్ములాస్ గురించి మనం తెలుసుకోగలిగాం.